Redis is only useful when your application can talk to it. In this video, you will learn how client libraries work, why connection pooling matters, and what a correct Redis integration looks like in a pull request. A Redis client library handles the wire protocol for you, turning method calls into raw Redis commands over a TCP connection. Pick the official client for your language, Redis for Node, Redis or Lettuce for Java, Redis py for Python, and you are ready to go. When your app starts, the pool opens a fixed number of connections and keeps them alive. Each incoming request borrows one, sends its commands, then returns it. Reconnecting on every call adds tens of milliseconds of latency and exhausts server-side connection limits fast. Here is Redis CLI, showing the exact commands your library will send. Set and get store and retrieve strings. SETEX sets a value with a TTL in seconds. HSET stores a hash, and INCR atomically increments a counter. Your library methods have the same names. When you review a pull request using Redis, look for these 4 mistakes. A client being constructed inside a request handler, set calls with no expiry, missing timeout configuration, and a pool size that ignores the server's connection limit. Any one of these can cause an outage. To connect correctly, pick a client, create one pool at startup, set timeouts and handle errors, and always give your keys a TTL. Get these 4 things right, and your Redis integration will be solid under production load.